Hello students, so I am here with you again with a topic that is parts of speech. So in grammar, when we or somebody asks you about this grammar, what is grammar, then what answer you give? Grammar, or in Hindi we say vyakaran, right? In Hindi, what we say? Vyakaran. And in English, grammar. So it's what? The study of the set of rules that we need to follow, and it helps those set of rules. It helps us how to speak appropriately, how to write in a correct way, and how to read correctly. So this grammar, it teaches, okay, all these things. And in grammar, these parts of speech are very important. These parts of speech are very important. These parts of speech, what it tells us, it tells us what what type of words we are using in a sentence. What type of words? What type of words that we are using in a sentence? This parts of speech tells us. Parts of speech tells us. And there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. Here, one by one, we will discuss this today. First, we have noun. First, what we have? We have noun. So, I don't know how many of you have learned in the previous class about this noun, but I would like to tell you that this is the name of anything, you know. Noun is the name of anything, be it person, things, animals, anything, place, then we call it noun. We call it what? Noun. Like Ram, Shyam, or Delhi, or elephant, right? Then the name of birds: peacock, eagle, sparrow, tiger, lion. So all these names are called noun. Name of anything, they are called nouns. Clear? So second, we have pronoun. Second, we have pronoun. The words that we use in the place of a noun, instead of a noun, that's called the pronoun. Suppose I have written here Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. I have written this one sentence. Okay. So Ram is what? Ram is a noun. Yes, because it is the name of a person. Ram is a noun. So can we write this same sentence in this way? He is a good boy. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. We can use he for Ram. Yes or not? In the place of Ram, we can use he. In the place of Sita, we can use she. So just like this, the words that we use in the place of a noun, that's called the pronoun. He, she, it, they, okay? These are all what? Called pronoun. These are called pronoun, which are the words that we use in the place of a noun. They are called pronoun. Now second, third, we have the verb. Verb, you all know, right? The action words are called verb. The action words are called verb. The action words are called verb. So to say, come, go, write, eat, right? Then run. These are all action words. Fight, kick, punch. So these are what? Action words, and these all words comes under where? Under verb. Under verb. All these words comes under verb. Then the next we have the adjective. What we have? The adjective. The adjective, what? The words that qualify, the words that qualify the noun or a pronoun, that qualify a noun. Okay, like here in the sentence you see Ram is a good boy. So which word is qualifying the noun? This, good. Good is the word which qualify the noun, which is what? Ram or boy. Now there are many adjectives are there, like good, bad, innocent, sweet, smaller, tall, big, right? And many others. These words that qualify, which qualify the noun, they are called the adjective. Which qualify the noun, they are called the adjective. Next, move on to the fifth point, that what we have here, that is adverb. What we have here? Adverb. Adverb, again, it is just like adjective. Adjective, it qualify the noun, but adverb, it qualify the verb, it qualify the adjective or another adverb also. It qualify what? It qualify the verb, it qualify the adjective, or it qualify another adverb. So this call what? Adverb. Like cleverly, the word we can use cleverly, smartly, fastly, very fast, no, quickly. So this type of words comes under where? This adverb. Why? Because these words qualify verb, this word qualify or modify the adjective or another what? Adverb. So this is called adverb. Next we have the preposition. What we have? The 6th point. Preposition. Prepositions, it shows the relation between noun or a pronoun with some other words in a sentence. It shows the relation. It shows the relation of what? It shows the relation between noun or pronoun with some other words, in a sentence. And this generally it used before a noun or a pronoun. Before a noun or a pronoun. And what are the words that comes here in preposition, like in, at, on, after, inside, beside, up, below, all this, under, between. So all this comes where? Preposition. These are the words we can say these are the preposition. So next we have what? The conjunction. What we have? The conjunction. What does it mean again? Conjunction. It is a joining word. Conjunction is a joining word. It joins the words. It joins a group of words. It joins a sentence together. It joins a sentence together. So this called what? Which joins the words, which helps to join words, which help the words which help to join a group of words, the words that help to join sentence together. No, these words are called the conjunction. For example, because. For example, and, or, but, since, this, although. These are called what? Conjunction. These are called conjunction. The words that joins. Okay. Now, interjection. What does it mean? The words which we use for feelings, for sudden emotions, okay? These words called the interjections. Like ouch, we can say hooray. The sudden, when something's you are happy, that you have won something, then we can use hooray. And something like happens very bad, like we can use alas. So some of the words are there which can be used to express our sudden emotion, feelings, okay? So these words are called interjections. These words are called interjections. And all these words we use when we are going to make any sentence, okay? Not all the time we use all the words together, but it depends upon the situations, okay? So I am here written some questions so that you try to identify the parts of speech here. You identify the parts of speech here. Some 10 questions I have written here, and the words which are underlined in all those sentences, you try to identify. Fine. So I will help you doing this. So first question I have written here is what? I bought a beautiful dress at the mall. I bought a beautiful dress at the mall. So the word beautiful is the underlined word beautiful. You just tell me which parts of speech it is. Which parts of speech? Beautiful. Which parts of speech? So this beautiful is what? Qualifying something, right? Qualifying the noun, that is dress. Qualifying what? The dress. So the words that qualify something, what I have said to you, that is, if the words that qualify a noun, then that's called adjective. So you have to write here adjective. What? Adjective. This is beautiful is an adjective. Beautiful is an adjective. Now, what did she ask you to do? Second question. What did she ask you to do? The word she here is in an underline. The word she is in an underline. So what parts of speech the word she is? What parts of speech this she? Remember? She. When we use the words in the place of a noun, he, I told you, right? He, she, it, they, all these words we can use in the place of a noun also, in the place of a name, no? Then these words are called the what? Pronoun. These words are called pronoun. 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 This adjective. First one adjective. Second pronoun. Adjective, pronoun. Then third one, I left my shoes under the kitchen table. Under the kitchen table. The underlined words under. Underlined word under. It is in which parts of speech? It is in which parts of speech? The word under here shows the relation between what? Noun with some other words in a sentence, right? The words under shows the relation between the noun and some other words in a sentence. So such type of words, what I have said to you, which parts of speech? Under which shows the relation. Preposition. Preposition. Under. Now, question number 4. If we finish our work quickly, we can go to the movies. If we finish our work quickly, we can go to the movies. So the word quickly, it is in which parts of speech? So you first try to find out this quickly. What work is doing here? What work is doing here? It qualify the what? Verb. It qualify, or we can say modify the word. It modify the word by adding quickly. So when it qualify the verb or adjective or another adverb, then these words I told you is an adverb. Adverb. Quickly, smartly, fastly. So all these words are adverb. Now next question 5. On Saturday I work from 9 to 5. The work. Any action word, any action words are what? Verb. Yes, you know this because you have been learning. Verb. This word is what? Verb. Now 6. I want to go to a university in the United States. I want to go to a university in the United States. What is this university again? What is this? It's a name of something, right? So what we can write? Name of something, name of anything. Now, name of anything, we can write. Now, I am sure I have met your girlfriend before. I am sure I have met your girlfriend before. So the word met is an action word. Yes, action word then verb. Action word then verb. Well, I don't think I will be home before 6. So the word well here, what? It gives one feelings, emotions. Okay, so when something gives emotions, then what we can write for this? For this type of words, in which parts of speech comes? What I said? Interjection, right? Interjection you can write. So move to question number 6. Andy knocked on the door, but nobody answered. The words that joins the other words, then we can say the joining words, we can say a conjunction, right? Joining words. But is a joining word. So this is conjunction. This is conjunction. Conjunction means joining words. Question number 10. After lunch, let's go out for a coffee. After lunch, let's go out for a coffee. So here also shows, this word shows the relation between noun and some other words in a sentence. And when the words, it shows the relation between a noun and some other words in a sentence, then this word is called what? Preposition. This word is called preposition. This word is called preposition. This word is called prepositions. So this is how you can identify the parts of speech in any sentence. So we completed these parts of speech, and you remember that there are 8 parts of speech are there, and all those 8 parts of speech are very very important to learn English grammar. So you must know these definitions, as well as the all what type of words it comes, what type of work it does, no, and in a sentence you must know. And you can what, by using all this, by learning all this, you will be very good, or you will learn quickly English language. Now, in writing, in reading, and in speaking, if all this you can use with the help of only these 8 parts of speech, there are many other things are there, but these are basic things. These are very basic. So today this much only. I hope you have understood, and if any doubt is there, you can dial me, or you can just give message. You just message me, then I will see what the problem that you are facing in understanding all this what I have taught to you. So thank you very much. Have a good day ahead.